Hello guys! If you are new here, my name is Chesiri, and if you are not, then welcome back. And it's been almost a month since I upload my video on my channel. If you don't know, I was actually traveling in Thailand for 3 weeks for a couple weddings, and I just got back to Germany a few days ago, and I'm very tan, even though I did not intend to be this tan, but you know, I'm Asian. I got tan pretty easily. And I said that I was going to do some vlogging, but reality hit and I was so busy, especially with the wedding just one day apart, and I had to wake up at like 4 AM basically many days in a row, and I didn't have time to do it. And I actually filmed one video for the full moon party when I was on the island, but I didn't like the sound quality, that's why I did not upload that one. Anyway, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys my Thailand haul, and if you're curious what I bought, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start with makeup first, and this product is something that I have been looking forward to buy when I was going to Thailand. This is Kate Lash Maximizer Base. When I tried this before I come to Germany, I loved it and I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I bought 3 of these. They are just so good. They kind of like lash primer, but they make every mascara look better. Another thing that I got from Kate is Lash Maximizer Essence. I'm not sure what this is. I think it might be some kind of lash serum. Let me open it up. It doesn't smell good. I'm going to have to go on their website to see for further more information. Now time for some skincare and some hair products. So if something about me, I have scalp problem, like it's not like dandruff, it's just dry and flaky and itchy. And I actually use one of the brand, I forgot what's it called, let me Google it real quick. Okay, I found it. I was using Living Proof Restore Dry Scalp Treatment, but unfortunately the Sephora store in Thailand, they did not carry that product. So the next thing is Brio Dio, I hope I say it right, Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I have heard so much about this shampoo. Like everybody, like when I research, everybody said this worked, but because of the price, I was really hesitating to buy it. And then, you know, long story short, I had to buy this. I love the smell of this shampoo. I only used already like a couple times, and my husband also loved the smell of this shampoo. It just smells like Oreo cookie with like minty flavor. So yummy. And I also picked another product of the brand as well. It's Brio Dio Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I only used this one time, so it's too soon to say if this worked or not. Now it's time for skincare product. Next is something quite unique that you can only find in Thailand. I think this is Ramayana sheet mask. I only saw 2 colors. I don't know if they have more, but I really love their packaging and the design is pretty like Thai theme. The green one is lemongrass moisturizing mask, and the red one is ruby moisturizing mask. I haven't used them yet. I'm really excited to use them, but I want to show you guys their full packaging before I destroy them first. Next is something that I really love, and after I've used it for the first time, I just couldn't get over it, even though I tried a couple other brands, but I still feel like they don't beat this brand. And this is SK2, the facial treatment clear lotion and the facial treatment essence. I don't know, but there's something about these that just make my skin feel good and not sticky, and they're fast absorbing. Unfortunately, when I packed this one, the cap was a little bit loosened and it spilled. So, but this one is less expensive than this one, thank God. And if you don't know, SK2 Counter has the skin machine that like check how your skin age basically. And last year when I came to Germany, I was a little bit slacking on SPF, so my skin result this year was a lot worse than last year, especially the spot control. Like I think I got like age of 34 of the spot, which was bad. So that's why I got this product. I mean, my husband also did this with me and he was shocked. So we agree we're gonna start doing more skincare. This is Clinique Even Better Clinical Dark Spot Corrector and Optimizer. So we are hoping that this will help heal all the spots. Next thing is something for my husband, and this is Lab Series Skincare for Men Max LS Power V Lifting Lotion. This will help all the lines and wrinkles. When we were there, we finished our eye cream and they did not have the same one we were using before, which is the Origins Ginseng, the orange one, I forgot what's it called. But they have this and the Sephora person was recommend this one, so I think why not give it a try. This is Fresh Black Tea Age Delay Eye Concentrate with noni fruit juice, firms and illuminates. This one smells awesome and it's creamy, spread easily. I loved it. Next thing is something that I also looking forward to buy. This is Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. I haven't opened it yet since I bought it. It's so cute. It smells like watermelon. Oh, and they have little applicator come with it. I think it's so cute. And the last thing that I bought from this, besides food, clothes, and jewelries, because we bought some of those too. But I'm not gonna talk about that because my channel is not about those. The last thing is something for my husband also. This is Burberry Man in Black Eau de Parfum. He wasn't into perfume, he wasn't into fragrance just like me, but I am into fragrance right now, which I will show you guys my fragrance collection in my next video or next video. you see. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys miss me and enjoy my videos today, and I will see you guys in my next video.